today we are making some chicken karahi, which is basically translates directly into karahi, basically meaning a wok, which is made for stir frying. Have one whole cut up chicken. We have some cilantro, ginger, jalapenos, tomatoes, salt, black pepper, red pepper, and some oil. So I've heated the wok. I'm going to add a little bit of oil in it and heat it. Once the wok is all, the oil is hot, what we do is we put the chicken into this wok. Just make sure that you coat the chicken with oil, and then what we do is we just let it cook right here while we concentrate on the other stuff. So the other stuff is basically ginger. So we'll put the ginger in twice. One will be at the end as a garnish. This will be julienne, just like this. And I'm going to put this up here, separate, like here. The rest of it will be basically grated in. So what you're going to do is to have the cilantro chopped. So again, cilantro will go in twice. One in the sauce, the other one as a garnish. So the twiggy part of the cilantro goes into the sauce, whereas the leafy part we keep separate for the garnish. So we have done this now. Got this going. So depending on how much gravy you want, you can actually have more tomatoes or less tomatoes. If you want it dry, you can just use 1 or 2 tomatoes, but if you want more gravy, then we can use more. So I'm using 4 here. So I'm going to stir fry this chicken till all the water is gone and only the oil is left. If you watch in here, so I'm burning or evaporating all the oil while I'm stir frying the chicken in. Because if you don't concentrate on this part and bypass this part, your chicken karahi is going to be very not so yummy, let's put it this way. Chicken likes to be left alone, so what we are going to do is to just cover it and let it fry a little bit more. So 2 jalapenos have gone for the sauce and 1 goes for the garnish. So all this stuff is for the sauce right here. That is garnish. So when you put turmeric, garlic, onion, and make a sauce out of those, that's basically what is called a salan. Okay, Karahi is a different dish. Karahi is a stir-fry dish, and it only has these ingredients. People put other ingredients, but then that is not real Karahi. So korma is a different dish. Korma is a yogurt sauce without any turmeric in it or without any tomatoes in it. So all the ingredients here are different, and it's very simple. Stir fry in a wok. You can see the water is disappearing from here. So one thing I always measure, and that is salt, because you can correct everything else but not the salt. So I have got this coffee spoon. I use 3 coffee spoons of salt. I have black pepper. I'm going to use 1 coffee spoon of that. I have some paprika. And some hot red chili powder. So let the chicken soak all the spices. I'll put it on high here. So if you are like me and you don't like the gamey smell, what I do is I have a pinch of fenugreek, which is a very natural enhancer of the taste. This is the secret ingredient. Look at this. How yummy does that look? I'm going to put some lemon zest here, if I can get it to work. So we are almost ready. Now it has to cook and let the ingredients give up their juices and a sauce is created. So what we'll do is, so far we are on hot. So now at this stage we put it on low and we will cover this and just let it simmer. And that's basically it. All we need to do is to cut this and put the squeeze the juice at the end with the garnish. And this is our garnish that we prepared earlier. And juice of half a lemon will go in. And I think somebody dropped a grape here and that got squished. So a few minutes of covering it produced very nice juices. And it's just cooking, and we just want the reduction of this juice for the gravy. You can see the gravy is getting thicker here. So at this stage, if you feel that your salt and pepper needs adjustment, you can adjust it. So at this stage, our testers have passed this, and it seems that the salt and pepper and the heat is good. So we just need for this chicken to cook and soak up all the juices and all the spices. It's a really simple dish. Takes about half an hour to make. We are coming almost to the end of this, so we'll just let it simmer and let it thicken.